Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here with the FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So we're at the start of another trading week, the second trading week in March, and we're just off to a flying start last week with our trading signal service. And just before we get into this week's free trading setup, if you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do so now by simply clicking the link below that says subscribe. It's either on the right hand corner, the top left, or just wherever you see the subscribe now button on the YouTube channel here. If you're not a member of our Facebook group, you can subscribe to that now, where I constantly post trade alerts, updates on educational videos, and just basically information that's going to help you become a consistently successful trader. Okay, so you can click the link below in the description area of this video and it will show you how to actually join our free Facebook group. Okay, so last week we had a fantastic week. Profits ranging from 500 to one client actually got 890 pips. So it was excellent trading week, and that was all. We started the week on Monday and we closed it on Monday also. So it was a great week. So this week's free trading signal is on the CAD Swiss franc. Okay, so I'm liking this signal. Basically, you can see in the monthly charts here that we have been in range here. Just look at the okay, and see every time it comes outside this range, you can see the candle spike down and it spikes back up. Okay, so this is telling me that this is likely to spike back up, and hence the reason that I'm looking to take this trade. Also, sometimes I do check the Bollinger Bands at the extremes on the higher time frames, and you can see this is the actual deviation 3. I don't use the deviation 2, I use the extreme one, which is deviation 3, and you can see it's right outside this Bollinger Band area on the weekly charts. This is another reason this is telling me this is going back up over the next week. So basically, I'm going to enter this trade from the get-go on Monday. The get-go meaning, if you're new to my channel, means just from the start of the week. Okay, so the actual signal itself is going to be, I'll just move that Bollinger Bands indicator. It's a very simple trade. The actual signal is going to be, we're going to insert buy CAD CHF at 0.698. Stop loss is going to be, we're going to put 100 pip stop loss just so it goes under that all-time low, where it is now at 0.688. Now take profit. Okay, so I'm liking this to go right up to around 73. So the take profit is going to be around 73. Might not hit that next week, but if you like the whole trades longer, it is a good area to actually take profit. Okay, 73. Okay, so that's the trade this week. Okay, we open this trade on the Tokyo Open, which is 8 a.m. Tokyo time. You can simply use Google to convert your time zone. This allows us to get into the market when there's no gaps and there's no high spreads that kind of happen on a Sunday evening, the start of the markets on a Monday morning, wherever you are in the world. Okay, so that's the trade. Buy CAD Swiss franc at 0.698, stop loss 0.688, and take profit is at 73. So it is. And we have, this week we've got around another 21 signals. We're expecting a huge week across all the markets, similar to last week. Did tell you last week it was going to be a fantastic week from the start. One client banking nearly 900 pips on a Monday morning. The rest of the clients ranging 500 to 800. So that was a crazy week, crazy start to the week, and profits were made. So if you want to actually join the service, you can click the link below. We are probably the only service out there that guarantees that you'll consistently make 900 pips or your money back. That's 900 pips every 90 days or your money back. No other service out there will guarantee you profits with their signals, either because they can't or they're just not consistent enough to allow that. We're consistent, we're professional, and we guarantee that. So click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. And again, once again, happy trading. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the trading group. Thanks. Have a great week, guys.